Would you like to conduct autopsies on putrid whales, to farm alligators or breed insects? I thought not. But on Business Daily today, we feature a man whose job is even less enviable. He's got to sell off Greece's assets in the middle of the country's worst crisis since the Second World War. We talk to him.
He was hoping for help from the US Secretary of State, Hillary Clinton. Jin Guangcheng appears to be in detention at a Beijing hospital, despite the assurances under which he left the US Embassy on Wednesday. Documents seized from Osama bin Laden's hideout a year ago appear to show that the Al-Qaeda leader had become frustrated with regional jihadist groups. The US military has published a number of documents taken in the raid when bin Laden was killed. He apparently feared the killing of Muslims in Iraq by 1775 was undermining support. Sudan says it's fully committed to ending hostilities with its neighbour South Sudan.
Oh, Father, help us. You're not here? Osama's documents. 17 documents. 17 documents, 175 pages. $175. I think I made this coffee too strong. What am I supposed to do? I must have to say something. I really drink a little strong for me. I drink about 1,000,000 cups a day. Yeah, this is just... What is today? What is today? This is this week? Last week? What was it gonna say? I must say something, huh?
And the head of Ford Europe on why he loses sleep worrying about the end of the euro.
I'd be scared to death to think of going back to nautical currencies, hedging, etc.
Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck. Mm-mm. 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 This is like evil. You see, you cut it and it comes back like 6 times on you. Oh. You have to be very brave to live here, you know, of course. And the way you want to come for me, you're just going to come. This is it. Tantrum! Tantrum, my lord! Catch you, my lord! Oh my Lord. Oh, some bird ends up in tragedy. Too bad, my friend. Signature. 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 I see someone's signature. I see someone's signature. Yes, I see someone's signature. The color sky is not right to my eye. The color sky is not right to my eye. That is above me. That is above me. What is above me is not right to my eye. What is above me? The color is not right to my eye. Oh, there he is. Do you see him? Can you see him? Where am I? Can you see him? I'll try and do him right under the leaf. Do you see him? You should see him under the leaf. I can't tell on the camera. You see him? It's omnivorous. Come home, man. You see how he comes in? Oh, I could keep this camera running if I could keep this camera running. If he stayed there. Can you see him? Wait a second. Where am I? Let me get up by the leaf. Is that? I'm trying to put him in the frame, but I can't tell people. I see him on the viewfinder. I can't see him on the viewfinder, but I think you must see him. Fine white dot. He comes in the ship with his headlights coming in. What time is it? Where's my phone? What time is it? What time is it? This is 6:39. 6:39 Eastern Standard Time, Western Jamaica. What is today? May 3rd. May 3rd. I got them. Oh, Father. Oh, Father, what a beauty.